In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, staying ahead requires not only advanced technology, but also reliable partnerships. At Kamiteka, established in 2016, we are dedicated to providing high efficiency and reliable CNC machines to meet the diverse needs of modern manufacturing. Our headquarters in Lithuania serve as the central hub for our operations, which extend across the Czech Republic, Estonia, Latvia, and the Middle East. This strategic presence enables us to offer comprehensive support and timely service to our clients worldwide. We specialize in a wide range of CNC machinery, including laser cutting machines, press brakes, milling machines, turning centers, and routers. Each piece of equipment is designed to integrate seamlessly into your production processes, enhancing both efficiency and precision. Understanding the critical importance of support in the manufacturing sector, we offer robust after-sales services. Our dedicated team of experts is equipped to provide ongoing maintenance and technical assistance, ensuring that your operations continue without interruption. Training is another cornerstone of our commitment to clients. We provide comprehensive programs that offer detailed knowledge of our machines, empowering your team to utilize the equipment to its fullest potential. At Kamiteka, we are not just suppliers, we are partners in your success. Our goal is to support your business by providing reliable machinery and dedicated service, tailored to meet the unique challenges of today's industrial environment. To learn more about our offerings and how we can assist in achieving your operational goals, please visit kamiteka.eu.